Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to claim the business use of your car deduction on Turbotax in 2025. This is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide, so let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to determine your eligibility. So go ahead and determine if you're eligible for business use of your car deduction based on your business use percentage, as well as a couple of other factors that you can check out on Turbotax's website. Now once you've determined your eligibility, you want to go ahead and collect your necessary documents, such as your car expense receipts, mileage logs, and car insurance statements. And once you have those documents prepared, go ahead and sign into TurboTax. Go on TurboTax website and sign into your account using your email address and your password. And then once you're signed in, select the tax year that you want to claim the business use of your car deduction for. And next, you're going to choose deductions from the menu and then select business use of your car. Once that's selected, go ahead and enter your car deduction information, including your business use percentage, your car expenses, and other relevant details from the documents that you have prepared. And next, you can claim the car deduction based on your eligibility and deduction information. That's pretty much it on how to claim the business use of your car deduction on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.